Alright guys, UDR here, back again. About to do a little bit more in-depth unboxing, and I'm going to just show you guys what components I'm going to be using for this build. So, off the back, we're going to be running a DX2E. This is the non-AVC version. So we're running a basic SR210 receiver with it. So I'm going to run with this kit. When it's at batteries, I'm going to be running an 8000 2S milliamp 100C battery, the Z battery, with XT90 connectors. Also, you see right here, I got the tires, the Hoosiers, my Pro line, front and rears, set. All right, and then for the servo, I'm going to be running. It is a Power Hobbies 400 mg. It's a little 29. Let's see it. Alright, just a little 29 kilogram servo. Alright, high torque, steel gear, servo. Alright, then, my gear I'm gonna use in it. Also, I have the upgrade the hardened idler gear by Robinson Racing. I'm gonna go and I'm just gonna install it while I'm in there. I mean, I have no issues with the stock gears that I had before, but I figure it's a kit I'm gonna build anyways, and I will be putting some more power down to it as far as the system. So I'm already there, so I might as well just go ahead and just throw it in there. Couldn't hurt anything. Talking about power system, I'm going to be running the Castle Mamba X system. I'll be running that in my car. You guys know I run a lot of Castle stuff. I just, I'm not out here doing any big races. I'm just having fun with it. So, a lot of guys doing the Hobby Wing XR 10 Pro or something like that. Good system. I mean, like I said, just run what you want, and I just run the Castle stuff. And then back to the car, guys. So go ahead and open the box. Alright, pull the bag of goodies out. Got my manual out to the side here. And so I'm going to start the build. I just wanted to kind of open the bag up just so you guys see how everything is laid out and all of that. So I'm just going to pop it open, give you guys a little bit of look of what's inside of the bag. Alright, and I'll be doing some update videos as I go. I will be starting to build it here tonight. So look out for the little videos. You might see a couple videos in the morning when you wake up, I guess. So I didn't have my scissors here, so I didn't have to open. So bag 11 has the sway bar links. All right, bag 12 look like the Diff cover, the Spurget covers and all that stuff in there. All right, I'm just reaching and grabbing as no particular order. And this here is the rims. This is the front and rear rims. I don't have a bag number, just front and rear rims. All right, grab the chassis out while I'm there. All right, this is the chassis. No bag number, just the chassis. All right. And then you got the Willy bar bag number 14. All right, has the Willy bar and all that front bumper in there. All right. I feel like I'm doing an auction. Bag number 13 look like the receiver cover and little grab bar, all that good stuff. Let's grab them out. Bag number 10 look like your shocks. There's shocks in there. Bag number 10. Bag number 1 look like the rear, maybe the front, probably the rear. Body mounts. All right, then bag number 6 got your rod ends and all that, turnbuckles. All right, so bag number 9, I'm sorry. All right, got quite a few bags in here, guys. I'll be here for a little bit. Bag number 8 gives you your rear drive shafts and all that good stuff in there. See that? All right, bag number 6 will be a transmission stuff. Bag number 6, get the transmission, gears, and all that stuff in there. Alright, yeah, that's that guy there. I'm going to be changing out. Bag number 3, look like the front end stuff. Lower arms and body, shock tower stuff and all that. Almost to the end, guys. It's going to be a lot of parts. Alright, bag number 4 looks like the rear arms. Alright, see that? Bag number 5, it's your rear diff. Bag number 5 is rear diff. Comes like that. And the last bag, the last 2 bags, bag number 2, looks like the front hub carriers and all that. And for the final bag, bag number 1, look like the front bulkhead, and all that good stuff, all the screws and everything in there. All right, so that's pretty much what comes in the bag. Quite a few bags. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start putting together here tonight. And like I said, look forward to some little update videos. If I see any tips or tricks as far as, you know, any installation of any parts, I'll let you guys know for sure. But yeah, appreciate you guys for watching, and look forward to those update videos. All right, thank you.